Hello, and to all of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you who are returning viewers, thank you very much for staying with me. This week's recipe, long beans stir-fried with dried prawns, is a quick, easy and tasty side dish recipe for all of you who are busy home cooks. As usual, I have set out the ingredients in the description box below, so shall we dive into the video? Now let's start the ball rolling. I have 200 grams of long beans here. These are also called yard beans in some places. I have topped and tailed them, and now I'm going to cut these long beans into 2-inch lengths. I am now transferring these long beans into a plate. Let's set aside these long beans now. Next, 4 cloves of garlic. I am using 3 cloves here because one of the cloves is rather big. Let's now chop the garlic into small pieces. I'm transferring the garlic into a small dish and setting it aside. Next, let's slice 1 fresh red chilli diagonally. There we are. This is going to be kept away until it is needed. 1 heaping tablespoon of dried prawns. Now chopping the dried prawns into small pieces. Let's now set this aside as well. We'll be frying the long beans in a sauce, so let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 4 tablespoons of water to bring them together. Let's start cooking now. My wok is on the stove on a moderate heat with 3 tablespoons of oil heating in it. Adding the garlic now. Let's fry the garlic for half a minute. The dried prawns are going in now. Let's fry this for another half a minute. The kitchen is fragrant with the frying garlic and dried prawns. So now it's time to add the long beans. Fry the beans for a minute. Stir to avoid burning and add red chillies after 1 minute. Let's stir this again for another minute. Let's pour the sauce and fry the beans until they are done. This will take about 2 minutes. Add a bit of water to help in the cooking and carry on frying the beans. Add salt to taste, stir and turn off stove. Here it is, friends, long beans stir-fried with dried prawns, a crunchy side dish that I'm going to serve with white rice and pan-fried salmon. You can easily cook this tasty and quick stir-fry at home and enjoy it with your main meal. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again next week with a new video, stay safe and bye.